of you guys. Just as I said, today I'm going to start with the geometric progression. But before going to that, I'm going to revise the arithmetic progression concept. You know that the arithmetic progression is what? If one fixed constant to be added to the previous value, one fixed constant to be added, fixed constant is added to the previous value, then the given sequence is said to be in AP arithmetic progression. And here, instead of adding, if we multiply with the fixed constant to the preceding value, we can call it as a geometric progression. Let us see the definition. The definition of the geometric progression or the geometric series is one in which each term is found to be multiplied. Each term can be multiplied to the previous value, preceding value, by the fixed number. The fixed number we can call it as a common ratio. And let us observe, let us see the given series is A R square, A R cube, and so on. And I can end with plus A R power n minus 1. A R power n minus 1. So here, the general term or nth term of the given series is A R power n minus 1. Let us see here. From the given sequence, it is the first term. I can represent this as A1. This is the second term. And this is the third term. And this is the fourth term. If you are observing, the first term is just A. Second term is AR. Third term is AR square. Fourth term is AR cube. Fifth term is AR power 5 minus 1. Sixth term is AR power 6 minus 1. Similarly, the nth term or general term is AR power n minus 1. Let us see, I can define here. A1 means it is the first term. A2 means AR power 2 minus 1. That is equal to AR power 1. A3, third term is what? AR power 3 minus 1. That is equal to AR square. Fourth term, A4 is equal to AR power 4 minus 1. That is equal to AR cube or not. And so on. AN, nth term or general term is equal to AR power n minus 1. Sir, what is mean by A here? A we can call it as a first term of the given sequence. It is the first term. And what is mean by this R? R we can call it as a common ratio. It is a common ratio. Common ratio. What is R and how we can find out R value? That is, instead of the difference, we can take its ratio. Second term upon the first term, third term upon the second term, or fourth term upon the third term, and so on. Hope you can understand. The first term, the common ratio. Let us see the examples. If I'm observing 5, 10, 20, 40, and so on. What is the first term here? A is equal to 5. What is the common ratio? R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. How we can find out R value? 10 divided by 5. 20 divided by 10. 40 divided by 20. Let us see. R value is second term upon the first term is equal to 2. Or if you want, you can take third term upon the second term. That is also 2. If the ratio is fixed, the ratio is same, we can call it as the given sequence of numbers is a GP, geometric progression. Ratio, if the difference is same, we can call the arithmetic progression. Let us see, and here alternatively minus plus. The first term is what? It is a 2. The common ratio R is equal to how much? It is minus 2. Sir, can we have the common ratio as negative? Yes, obviously you can get negative value also. The common ratio for the second term, second example is minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. If you want, you can take 8 divided by minus 4, you will get minus 2. The ratio is common, or we can call it as a fixed. If the ratio is fixed, if the ratio, common ratio is fixed, or each number can be obtained by multiplying with one fixed constant. The constant here I can take it as 2. Then the given series is in GP, that is the geometric progression. What is the general term or nth term? We can also call it as a general term of GP. General term of GP. That is AN is equal to AR power n minus 1, where n is the number of terms of the given series, R is the common ratio, A is the first term. Hope you can understand the first 2 points. If you're having any doubt, you can. Any doubt regarding to the first 2 points? Yeah, sometimes we can have the third point, also call it as a constant series. Constant series. What is the constant series which is in GP? Suppose if I'll take a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on. Then what is the first term here? 2. What is the common ratio? R is equal to 1. Is it in GP? Yes, it is in GP as well as in AP. If you want, you can check it is also in AP. So which is in GP and AP. We can call it as a constant series, constant sequence, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on. Up to how many 2's that not decided, not given to you. But if you are observing the first term is 2, common ratio is 2, even common difference if I am finding, what is the D value? D is equal to 0. If the difference is 0, then we can call it as a constant sequence. The third point is important for us. So here, this is important, guys, the nth term of the given sequence. I'll go for the fourth point. Sum of n terms of GP. Sum of n terms of GP. So sum of n terms of AP is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 A plus L, or n divided by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Like this, we have a sum of n terms formula, that is the first term into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. This is the formula for finding the sum of n terms of GP. And the fifth point, sum of infinite terms of GP. Sum of infinite terms of GP. Terms of geometric progression. S infinity is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. So here this type of sequence will be A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on plus AR power n minus 1. So we can stop till n. But here no ending. A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on plus the nth term is AR power n minus 1 plus. We have up to infinite terms. Whenever we have an infinite terms, the sum of infinite terms of GP is A divided by 1 minus R. You know that how to find out A value, how to find out R value, that is the common ratio.
Sir, what is R power
yes.
infinite, sir?
R power,
Sir, 1 minus r power infinite, what is the value of it, sir?
where I have written
No,
R power
sir.
infinite.
If we substitute n as infinite, what will we get if
No, I'm not substituting n. I'm not substituting n as infinite.
sir, then what, sir?
Sum of infinite terms of
Okay.
GP is another formula. A by 1 minus R. That is the
So,
formula.
new formula,
No
sir.
infinity I have substituted.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the formula for finding sum of infinite terms of GP. Yeah, so I can go for the problems. First one, find common ratio and general term. General term of the following series if they are in GP. If they are in GP, then you can find out the first term, the common ratio, and the general term. Example number 1, we have 1, 2 divided by 3, 4 divided by 9, 8 divided by 27, 16 divided by 81, and so on.
Sir, can I say that?
Yeah, Rohan, what is the first term?
Sir, first term is 1, sir. Common
Common
ratio is
ratio
2 by 3.
2 by 3. General term.
Sir, I'm doing.
Let's see here, guys. A1 is equal to 1. That is the first term. A2 is equal to 2 divided by 3. A3 is equal to 4 divided by 9. I can take it as 2 by 3 whole square for our convenient. A4 is equal to 8 divided by 27, 2 by 3 whole cube, and so on. So what is the common ratio? And if I'm comparing this with what? 1 comma 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3 whole square comma 2
2 by 3
divided by 3 whole cube,
Sir,
and
you
so
wrote 2
on.
by 3 whole square, sir, for 8 by 27. Yes.
2 by 3 whole cube. And this is if I'm comparing a comma a r square, a r cube, and so on. So clearly this is in GP with the first term 1, with the first term 1, and common ratio, as I said, common ratio, that is R is equal to A2 upon A1. That A2 value is what? 2 divided by 3 by 1. That is equal to 2 divided by 3. Similarly, I can check with A3 divided by A2 also. A3 value is 4 divided by 9 by 2 divided by 3. It is 2 divided by 3. So ratio is fixed common. So this is in GP. I can find out the general term. The general term or nth term is A r power n minus 1. That is A value is 1, R value is 2 divided by 3 whole power n minus 1. So he's asking, just find out the 10th term. A10 is equal to, you can put n is equal to just 10 in the given formula, 2 divided by 3, 10 minus 1, that he has given 2 divided by 3 whole power 9 is the required answer. So anything he's asking, you can put n value as the requirement in sum of n terms formula. Hope you can understand this question. Is asking the first term and then the common ratio, that is the R value. R is equal to what we are getting here, 2 divided by 3. Next, general term, AN formula, and then the 10th term of the given sequence of numbers.
Sir, why you did a 10th term, sir?
I am finding one particular term.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Okay. So the questions will ask like this. Find the 10th term, 5th term, 7th term, like that. Okay. Go for the second example. If you are perfect in this example. Sir, having any doubts, you can ask related to this concept, guys. Yeah, so this is the given question. Let us find out the first term. Ratio. General term. Also find 10th term.
Sir,
Yes, Sarandeep.
sir, common ratio is 1 by 3.
Common ratio is 1 by 3. Very good.
Sir, and general term is 1 into 1 by 3 n power n minus 1. Sir, and for the 10th term, it is 1 by 3 power 9.
1 by 3 power 9. Very good. It is the same as the previous question, but just power 2 is not there. You can find out the first term A1 as 1 and the second term as he has given. A1 is equal to 1. That is the first term. A2 is equal to 1 divided by 3 and A3 is equal to 1 divided by 9. A4 is equal to 1 divided by 27 and so on. And I am finding the common ratio. R is equal to A2 upon A1, that is equal to 1 divided by 3 upon 1 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Next, R is equal to, even if you want, you can check it. A3 divided by A2, that A3 value is 1 by 9 upon 1 by 3, 3 cut. That ratio is fixed. R value is fixed. That is 1 divided by 3. So when we have the first term, that is A is equal to 1, and then the common ratio, let us have the general term AN is equal to A R power n minus 1. That is equal to A value as he has given 1 divided by 3 whole power n minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 power n minus 1. This is AN formula, general term formula. Now what he is asking, guys, is asking the 10th term also. Let us substitute n is equal to 10 in equation number 1. So A10 is equal to 1 by 3 power 10 minus 1. So A10 is equal to 1 divided by 3 power 9 is the required answer. Hope you can understand this question also. Next question, Shashank and Navneet. The next question, Shashank and Navneet has to give the answer for the next question, guys.
Yes,
There,
sir.
Shashank and Navneet. Right, very good. So let's have the discussion of third question, problem number 3. 2 minus 4, 8, minus 16, 32, and so on. Find the first term, common ratio, and the 10th term.
Sir, first term is 2 and R is equal to -2. 10th term is
Avneet and Shashank. Kulkarni.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Okay.
Sir, can I say
Harshavardhan, just 1 second. Shashank. Harshavardhan, -2 power 9. Okay. Okay. 2 into -2 power 9. That is correct answer. Yes, sir. Yes, very good. Shashank, your answer?
Sir, it is 2 into -2 power 9.
Right, very good. So R common ratio is equal to, it is -2 and AN is equal to A into R power N minus 1. If you want, you can take A1 also. That is 2 into -2 whole power N minus 1. This is AN formula. Now what is asking A10? A10 is equal to 2 into -2 whole power 10 minus 1. This is equal to 2 into -2 whole power 9. Can I write minus 2 power 10? Hope you can understand this. -1 whole power 9 is minus only. The 2 will comes outside. Sorry, minus will comes outside. 2 into 2 power 9 minus 2 into 2 power 9. That is minus 2 power 10.
Sir, how?
What is -1 whole cube? Is it minus or plus?
Minus.
Yeah, minus will comes outside. So here what I can write? 2 into minus 2 power 9. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir. Okay.
That
-2 power
means,
10. Yes, sir.
right,
You wrote 2 power 10.
minus 2 power 9, that is equal to minus 2 power 10.
Yes, sir. Starting you wrote 2 power 10, sir. That's why I got confused.
No, minus is outside. Already have written minus outside and 2 power 10.
Okay.
Question number 4. First, let us check whether they are in GT or not. Okay. After that, we'll go for the requirement. And so on.
Sir, what is square root of 6 divided by square root of 2, sir? Is it 3, sir?
That's you have to do, guys. That's you have to do. That everything will be under the root. Even if you want, you can write this as
Should finally
root 2 comma. Yeah.
So should we find a 10th term or which term?
Yeah, 10th term also. A10, that is
Sir,
fixed. I have first term.
Sir, R is root 3, sir.
Right, very good. That's it. Once we can find out the common ratio, that's over. Your problem is over. Yes.
Sir, root into root is again normal, sir. So root 2 into root 3 will be 6, sir.
A1 first term is A2, the second term is A3, the third term is, I can write 3 root 2 as root 18. Any problem? 3 square means if 3
Yes,
will
sir.
comes in square root, 9 into 2, it is 18. So I can find out the common ratio first. R is equal to A2 divided by A1. That is under the root of 6 divided by under the root of 2. So both are square root, and under the root means root 6 divided by 2, that is equal to square root of 3. Let us check with A3 divided by A2 also. A3 divided by A2, that is under the root of 18 divided by square root of 6. This is single square root. 18 divided by 6 is equal to root 3. Is it ratio value is same? R is equal to root 3 or not? It is root 3 without any confusion. Okay, so let's I'm finding the general term an is equal to a r power n minus 1. A value is root 2 into r value is how much? Under the root of 3 whole power n minus 1. We can keep as it is. This is the general term formula, equation number 1. Now I am finding a10. Let's find out a10, that is equal to root 2, that is a value, root 3 whole power 10 minus 1. That is 10 minus 1. This is equal to root 2 and root 3 whole power 9. That's it. Is the required answer for this question. To check whether this is in GP or not. If it is in GP, let's find out the first term and common ratio. So you can decide by finding its common ratio. Next problem, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 27, 1 by 81, 1 by 243, and so on.
Sir, it is in GP, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
minus
Yes,
1 by
Sarandeep. Rohan.
sir, minus 1 by 9 is the common ratio.
Sir, 1 by 9 is the first term and minus 1 by 3 is the common ratio.
Minus 1 by 3. What about Srinidhi? Give me the total answer or anything what you have written. 726 something else. You go for the first term. A1 will be given to you. That is the first term 1 divided by 9. A2, that is minus 1 divided by 27. A3, this is 1 divided by 81. A4, which is minus 1 divided by 243. If you are observing, A2 divided by A1, this is equal to minus 1 by 27 divided by 1 by 9. That is equal to 9 3 times minus 1 by 3. Similarly, A3 divided by A2, A3 value is 1 by 81 divided by minus 1 by 27. 27 3 times is 81, that is minus 1 divided by 3. Therefore, the ratio is fixed. What is the ratio? Minus 1 by 3 is the common ratio. What is the first term? First term is 1 divided by 9. Yeah, so can we find the general term formula? N is equal to A
Sir,
r
1 by
power
3
n
into
minus 1.
1
A value
minus
is
1
1 divided by
3
9,
whole power n minus 1.
n minus 1. So we can take as it is. Now, this is an formula. I can take this as equation number 1. And suppose he's asking nth term, as I have fixed with the
1 by
10th
9
term,
into minus 1 by
that is minus 1 by 3.
10 power 9.
That is 1 divided by 9 minus 1 by 3 whole power 9. As I have said, whenever we have an odd
Minus
power,
1 by
minus will
3
comes
whole square,
outside.
sir.
Right. Minus 1 divided by 3 power
Sir,
9.
sir.
Can we write minus 1 by 3 power 9? Correct?
Sir.
Yes.
So can you also write it as minus 1 power 11, minus 1 by 3 power 11?
Yeah, that is what I'm writing here. Next
Okay,
step,
sir.
what I'm writing here, just 3 square minus 1 divided by 3 power 9 plus 2 means it is 11. This is year 10 value. Hope you can understand this question.
Yes. Sir, you can also write minus 1 by 3 whole power 11, no, sir.
Yes, you can write minus 1 by 3 whole power 11 also. Yeah. This is left for you. You can work on it. Moving to question number 7. 0.01, 0.30, 0.50.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, yes, I left for you.
1 by 100, sir.
The next, right. The next problem is find.
Sir, it's sixth problem, sir.
Nth term and 10th term of term of 5, 25, 125, and so on. Make it fast.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yes, Rohan.
Sir,
Sir, Shashank, sir.
sir, it's
Shashank, yes, you can.
5 power.
Yes, sir. Sir, A1 is 5 and R is also 5, sir.
Sir,
R is also 5.
Sir, R is
Yes,
5, sir.
Sir, nth term is 5 power n, sir.
Sir, and 10th term is 5 power 10.
5 power 10.
Yes, sir. 5 power 10 and nth term is 5 power n. 5 into
A2 will be 25. A3 will be 125. Next, I am finding A2 upon A1, 25 upon 5, that is equal to 5. A3 upon A2. You can check it, guys, always. 125 upon 25. This is equal to 5. So from this, I can confirm that the common ratio is 5 and the first term A is equal to 5. Let's find out the general term as usual. A r power n minus 1. That is equal to 5 power n minus 1. That is equal to 5 power n. A n value. Is asking 10th term. So A10 is equal to 5 power 10 is the required answer. The question is so simple. Next problem. Eight. Five divided by 2, 5 divided by 4, 5 divided by 8, and so on. Find an A20. 9, 2 comma 2 root 2, 4, and so on. These two examples as homework. That's it for today, guys. We'll continue in the next class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.